What's up, guys? Who's met here with Cadigan, playing some Goat format. And as a
Ayo.
disclaimer, this is just hanging out, having fun. I know that on the YouTube recommended page, I'm getting Goat format duels, and I know a lot of people also get Goat format duels. You can play.
Okay.
But yeah, this is not meant to be crazy serious. I know the Go format community is a great community, but it's also I don't want to say defensive, but it is I don't know. Because it's such a hyper like competitive format, I don't want people to think that like you know what I mean.
Sure. Oh.
Fine, I won't set my own monster. Good. Also, this video will probably go up before another video that is Go format, and I'm playing the same deck, and people are gonna be like,
Oh, he had it.
"He said he's never played this deck before, but he played it earlier." They were recorded in a different chronological order. This one will probably go up first.
Also, I believe the word you were looking for to describe the GOAT format community may have been elitist.
No,
Elitist.
no, I wouldn't. No, because it's for the most part it's a very good community.
Yeah.
Damn it.
MST bait.
Which is me right there doing the.
Ugh, get rid of it.
See, it's me hitting the wrong card.
Give me a monster. Hey, look, it's a monster. Gonna hit you.
This is probably minus, but like,
It works.
hey, look,
Simplified game state. Yeah, go for it, buddy.
2,000.
Because you have one or less cards in your hand.
That is correct.
Yay.
Exile Force?
No. Well, not explicitly.
You just want to dump it?
That's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm just checking. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.
So I feel like having Exile Force in the graveyard's good.
It's not bad.
Why is this? I don't like that. Fine. This is minus. But I do want to build this deck IRL, so I'm kind of testing the waters because
Ooh.
I feel like this deck isn't as good as Thunder Dragon Chaos. I could be wrong. But I do want something to play this like hyper competitive because we have a couple friends that are a little bit more on the casual side, and I feel like this deck isn't as good as that deck. Plus, this deck plays a lot of purple cards and oh, well,
Priority. Not like it matters, but
you banishing it or are you attacking?
I am banishing it.
I don't know why you would banish it. You do something.
I don't know if you run Premier Call or not.
Oh, good point. I have Warrior Lady in the graveyard, so
Well, that's true, but at least you have to ram that.
you know.
Banish that guy and that guy. I was debating between Ninja and what's his butt.
Oh, Blade Knight.
Yeah.
Okay. Show me dust. Oh.
I'll show you that card.
What do you got?
This guy.
Okay.
This is when I have the advantage of running more monsters than you. And then this guy.
There you
I'm gonna keep that.
go.
Big sigh.
We're struggling.
Ooh. I'm just gonna swing.
16?
Yeah.
And we'll put
Game.
the sorcerer back in your hand.
No, you're not. That's game.
Oh, well, that's dumb. Alright, game 2. Yes, I do want to offer a rematch.
We siding?
Yeah, we're siding. Did you hit accept? Okay, I was like, I'm frozen.
Yeah, I hit accept.
What do I want to do here?
Big, indeed.
Maybe keep that and... Oh gosh, this is tough. I've never sided before.
Never once. Not
On
ever.
this deck, I've never sided before.
Huh. Yeah, I'm wondering about what to...
That could be like mega incorrect, but
If you're
I'm
saying
good.
it probably is.
Fair.
We're gonna do this, and I'm gonna wrap it up with... Nah, we're good. We're gonna try that.
Tell me what I should have sided. People who've played this format.
Might just be the hardest thing in this format.
Hey, look, pressure.
Under pressure.
Do your thing.
Oh, okay. I thought you were about to tell me to shoot.
No, I wish. That'd be sick.
I do have this card though.
No. Pick one.
That one.
Good card. I'm
Yeah, I like
gonna pitch this because I think it's early game kind of thing.
Yeah. You hate to see it.
I don't like to see it, but like, yeah.
Well,
I don't know. I could be. Oh,
do I just get it over with? No, I'll make you take the risks.
interesting. Oh man, that's kind of infuriating.
How infuriating is it? Sure. Is that a set Cypher Soldier?
I'm building the wall. Cypher Soldier would be worthless against you, so please let it be Cypher Soldier, aka Kinetic Soldier.
Why would it be worthless against me? I'm playing Warrior.
Yeah, but it's worthless against this current setup because that's a spellcaster. That is not a warrior.
This is true. Could be Jujutsu Master.
Or it could be a side decked morphing jar.
That would be a pretty interesting side deck.
I've seen it.
Well, we'll just, we're gonna get rid of this.
Alright, well, we're gonna banish both then.
And then I'm also gonna do that.
Alright, let's go see what we got here.
Mm-hmm. At least you can't exile me at the moment.
Yeah, I know, that's why I'm really mad. Yeah.
Yep, that's viable.
I was heavily debating it, so we're just gonna go for it. Is it going on at the top of my deck?
I wish. It's just dinking.
Oh, we're tied. Okay. Go for it.
Mm-hmm. Let's go for... I have one also.
But yeah, IRL duels will be more of a thing in an attempt. I don't know, being in the same room as other people is slightly more difficult than being on the internet.
I am just okay. I'm gonna summon it, and then so you either have judgment for it, or I'm tributing it with priority
Yeah, go for it.
and popping your set because I don't trust it. Yeah, yeah, that's what I thought.
I mean, if it makes you feel better, Warrior Lady triggers first.
Does it?
Yeah, Warrior
That's
Lady is
cheeky.
after damage calculation, and Jujutsu Master is after damage step.
Damage step, yeah. Interactions. Oh, good. I was really hoping you didn't draw the.
Oh, I could have beat over. I set everything. I could have beat
Yeah,
over. But
coulda.
honestly, I don't know if I want to.
You don't know if you want to, huh? At this point, I want to.
Yeah, you want to take 600?
Five. It's 500.
Oh yeah, I'm a 2K. Math is hard. Banish both.
Yeah.
Yeehaw.
And I'm just gonna normal this dude.
And we're gonna do one of these.
We're gonna do one of those.
Yeah.
That's... Man. Alright. We're gonna... Yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that.
Alright. Well, this is where
Fun
This
and
is-
interactive.
this is where we wish we played Upstart Goblin.
Ah, well, this is a relief because now I don't need to worry about Heavy Storm.
I was gonna say show me the pro set heavy.
I would feel so validated.
We're gonna dust it.
The one I just set.
Yeah. I would like to get value out of my cards, please. Hey, speaking of value,
Aw,
I would like to draw 2 Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
from your deck.
Oh my god. Pass.
Where are your Pringles?
They're in the can.
Can we refer to the deck as the can from now on?
Sure.
Here you go, buddy.
Alright.
This is what grindy Yu-Gi-Oh is. He's got the Asura. Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna attack now.
You will try.
I will put it face down.
That's fine.
Go ahead.
Sheesh. Alright, well.
You have 6 cards. I have 6 cards.
Yeah, you pot greeted, which evened out the duo I had. That was this game, right? Yeah.
Flip summon.
Yeah, that does return, doesn't it? It does.
Can I do that?
Yeah, no, flip summon's fine.
Can I normal summon?
Goo. You maybe cannot do that. Hold on. I am maybe not all Gucci with that. Let's on summon.
You are activating the card Solemn Judgment.
Yeah.
I would like to activate the card Solemn Judgment.
Yeah, I was worried about that. Okay. Oh, I still have to pay half. I don't have double judgment, so that's fine. But
Okay, now I would like to gain a
that's
counter.
yeah, you can gain a counter.
Alright, cool.
God damn it!
Would you like to do anything?
No,
Okay, because I'm retaining turn player priority to destroy this card.
that was what I was hoping for. Let's get that one.
Oh, well, that's pretty good. Okay, I would like to...
You gonna hit me in the face with a Yugimon?
Yes. because this is 33. And I would like to attempt to end the game. You are activating the Yu-Gi-Oh card Book of Moon.
Book des Mons.
Bush des Mondes.
Mm.
Sorry, my books are English. I want to get a. I'm
You
trying
gotta
to get
swag on me like that?
I'm trying to get a third English book
Oh, I just thought of something I should
because
have
I want
cited.
at least my spells to match. I don't care if my traps match. Yeah, that's fine.
I thought of something I should have cited out against you that I didn't. Learning. We're gonna get him. Because he is a big boy.
Sure.
Mirror Force was last game.
Yeah, there's
Normal.
no Mirror Force in my graveyard.
Is the normal summon of Ninja Grandmaster Sasuke.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. Great. Then... Man, what if it's Mirror Force? Because you've already gotten rid of... Oh, it's just one Saku. I don't have that many options here. So... I'm going to take that for insurance.
I am going to activate Compulse and put it back in my hand.
That's cute. Look at that versatility. Yeah.
I'm going to book him in your monster.
Ouchie.
Because that way I can do this. And then pop your card.
Yep.
And then attack for game.
Yep.
Cool, because this is 17.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it.
Alright, tight.
That is a defeat.
Offer me a rematch. Game 3. Let's do it.
Alright, now that I am a slightly better player,
I did the learn.
I'm gonna side... Actually, I'll leave one. Those... And... gonna take out...
I feel like that's a good thing. We'll see. We will see here.
Yeah, I'm doing that also. Alright.
We're doing the blind fumble. I'm a big fan of the blind fumble.
Alright, well, we got one of these guys.
Good card.
Yeah, I tend to agree. And we're just gonna do one of these, and one of these, and one of those. Yep.
Can we do the exiled force?
Yes. You may. And that is a decent decision.
Not bad. I would like to set 2 and pass.
I would like to get rid of one of them. That's cute.
Would you like to set a card?
No. No. Wow, that's just rude. I got that.
Oh, come on.
That one. Man, those like to sit in your hand early game. Yikes.
I don't know if we're going to be able to do anything on
This-
2 on 5.
I'm gonna blow you out.
Oh, my.
Zalug.
Oh, come on, man.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a blowout. I got the big 2.
It's better down here than up there.
Yeah.
Honestly, we're just gonna play it.
Yeah.
It's better than losing it to a space later on or a dust.
No.
Okay. Yikes.
Yeah, right. I'm just gonna hit you with it.
28.
Yeah, and
Banish both monsters.
Yeah,
I got it.
I got you anyway.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
All right. Well,
That's the game.
yeah, that was heavy, pot, and duo. There's literally no recovering from that. Thanks for watching, guys.